So, good day. My name is Cecil Maria Labrador, and this is my demonstration for Laboratory Exercise 6, interfacing with a dot matrix display for this lab. I use an Arduino Uno connected to a MAX7219 8x8 LED dot matrix module. So, here's the circuit. The MAX7219 module only needs 5 connections to the Arduino, VCC to 5 volts, GND to the ground, DIN to pin 11, CLK to pin 13, and CS to pin 10. No resistors are needed since the module already handles current limiting internally. So let me plug in the circuit. So I have my cell phone camera as so you can see the better view for the output. So this is the output. The animation I designed is a pickleball dink rally. You can see a diagonal net in the middle of the display and a ball arcing back and forth over it. The paddles on each side track the ball's position vertically, and when the ball makes contact, the paddle flips horizontal to stimulate the ball hitting the paddle face. So the full rally cycle runs for about 5 seconds before repeating. So the animation is made up of 29 frames, each stored as an 8-byte array where every bit represents one LED. The LED control library handles sending the data to the MAX7219 chip, and Millis base timer advances the frame every 116 milliseconds, so the full cycle hits exactly 5 seconds. So that's it for the demonstration. You can also see here in the documentation the Excel file that I used for the patterns. I use the Excel to test my patterns correctly. And then here's the picture of the circuit. So in the document, you can also see my output as a GIF. So that's it. This is my video demonstration, which is a pickleball dink rally. Thank you.